In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the advanced tools known as the selection tool. The selection tool is located in the right-hand toolbar and is the third one down and looks like this dotted box with a mouse icon in the lower right-hand corner. Now the selection tool is going to be very important in order to move objects and to select them in general. Once you go ahead and left click it, if I want to select this annotation text, I'm just going to go ahead and touch and drag to highlight the text. And as you can see, it went ahead and selected the entire body of annotations. Now I'm going to move into my lesson plan and go back to my selection tool because as you can see, I have a number of different images along with a YouTube video that perhaps I might want to move around. So if I go to that selection tool and tap on one of my pictures, you can see I can move it around freely along with bring up that menu that's popped up on the side. Now this is just a short video about the selection tool. It's very important in order to use the whiteboarding software, and I hope you enjoyed it and continue to watch some more.